Have you ever been listening to a song so powerful that it made your whole body shiver? Or maybe you stepped into the cold air and suddenly your skin was covered in little bumps. We call them goosebumps. But here's the question. Why do humans even get them? They don't seem to make us much warmer. They don't make us look scarier. At first glance, they seem kind of pointless. But the truth is, goosebumps are far from useless. In fact, they're one of the most fascinating reflexes your body has. A built-in response that links the physical and the emotional in a way that still surprises scientists. Today, we're going to break down what goosebumps really are, why they happen, how they're connected to fear and music, and finally, a discovery that proves they might be more important than you ever realized. So, let's start with the basics. Goosebumps happen when tiny muscles in your skin, called arrector pili muscles, contract. Each muscle is attached to a hair follicle. When it tightens, the hair stands upright and the skin around it bulges slightly. That's what gives you the familiar bumpy texture. This process isn't something you can control. It's automatic, triggered by your autonomic nervous system. The same system that makes your heart pound when you're afraid, or your palms sweat when you're nervous. Goosebumps are not a choice. They're hardwired. Now, in animals with thick fur, the function of this reflex is obvious. Raised fur creates insulation by trapping air, keeping them warmer. It also makes them look bigger when threatened, which you can scare off predators. But here's the mystery. In humans, with our relatively thin body hair, goosebumps don't do much of either. They don't warm us up significantly, and they don't intimidate anyone. So why are they still part of our biology? The short answer is goosebumps are a part of the human design. They're built into our nervous system, and even though we don't rely on them in any way that the animals do, the mechanism is still there. Think of it like a reflex that never went away. Just like how you still blink when something comes close to your eyes, or you still flinch at a sudden loud sound. Goosebumps are one of those primal responses that are active. But here's where it gets fascinating. Goosebumps aren't just about staying warm or reacting to danger. They've taken on a new, unexpected role that connects directly to your emotions. If you've ever felt goosebumps while listening to music, you've experienced something called frism. It's a sudden wave of chills, usually triggered by a powerful emotional moment, a dramatic chorus, a haunting violin, or even a surprising twist in a story. Scientists have studied frism and found that people who get goosebumps easily from music tend to have stronger connections between the parts of the brain that processes sound and the parts that processes emotions. That means if you get goosebumps when a song moves you, your brain may literally be wired to experience emotion more vividly than most. In other words, goosebumps are proof that your body is reacting physically to something that touches you emotionally. But it's not just music. Goosebumps can also happen when you see something awe-inspiring, a stunning view, a moving speech, or even a memory that stirs deep feelings. In these moments, goosebumps act like a bridge between your mind and your body, showing just how connected the two really are. Of course, goosebumps also show up in moments of fear. You're watching a scary movie, you hear a strange noise in the dark, you feel that someone might be behind you. In those moments, your body floods with adrenaline. Your heartbeat quickens, your muscles tense, your senses sharpen, and yes, those little muscles in your skin contract, creating goosebumps. This is part of your body's fight or flight response. It's a survival system that prepares you either to defend yourself or to run away from danger. The goosebump reflex is tied directly into that system. Now, even if the physical benefit isn't strong for humans, the signal itself is. Goosebumps tell you your body is on high alert. It's like a visible marker that your nervous system is fully activated. Some researchers even suggest goosebumps are severe as a social signal. Just like tears show sadness, goosebumps might show others that you're feeling fear, awe, or intensity. They're a silent message your body communicates without words. So after everything we've covered, cold, fear, music, and awe, what's the bigger picture? Goosebumps may look small and insignificant, but they reveal something profound, that your body is designed to react not only to the physical world, but also the emotional world. They connect survival instincts with feelings of inspiration, wonder, and even beauty. And here's the surprising twist. Recent research suggests that goosebumps might play a role in regenerating hair follicle stem cells. That means this reflex could actually help keep skin and hair healthy in ways we're only beginning to understand. So while goosebumps may not keep us warm like they do for animals, they might still be quietly serving a purpose, one that science is only now uncovering. The next time you feel goosebumps, don't brush it off as random. Remember what it actually means. It could mean your body is bracing for danger. It could mean your brain is deeply moved by music or memory. It could mean that you're standing in the presence of something awe-inspiring. Or it simply could mean your body is quietly maintaining itself in ways you don't even notice. Goosebumps are a reminder that humans aren't just mechanical. We're emotional, we're responsive, we're wired in a way that connects the physical and the spiritual sides of life. So why do humans get goosebumps? Because they're one of the clearest signs that your body isn't just built to survive, it's built to feel. So the next time a song, a story, or a cold breeze gives you goosebumps, pay attention. It's your body's way of saying, this moment matters. From fear to music to hidden biology, goosebumps prove that sometimes the smallest details reveal the deepest truths about what it means to be human. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.